Bro, what happened? Natasha's protester came. No, Natasha supporters came. And Akpabio supporters came. What happened, guys? Nigeria police, for Nigeria police to, settle the issue and make it be like, okay, we don't need any problem, we don't need violence in this place today. Everybody just need to calm down and do everything right. Do you know what the Nigeria police did? Nigeria police started shooting at Natasha supporters.
It is on Wednesday, dispersed supporters of Kogi Central Senatorial District lawmaker Natasha Akpabio as they attempted to access the National Assembly complex in Abuja. The protesters had gathered at the entrance of the National Assembly for a peaceful procession, but were met with resistance from police officers who used tear gas to break up the gathering, citing the need to prevent a breakdown of law and order. The demonstration, which began as early as 8 a.m., coincided with the resumption of plenary and a scheduled hearing by the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions. After being dispersed, the protesters regrouped at Unity Fountain. Meanwhile, tensions escalated further as two opposing groups, one supporting Senate President Akpabio and the other supporting Akpabio, clanked in Abuja.
At a time like this, where the Nigerian women cannot keep quiet or allow just one woman to use her womanhood to destroy the sanctity of the apple-making body of our country. One should have expected that, having been elected to the red chambers of the National Assembly, that Senator Natasha's negative old ways of life would change. That his recent continuation and her continuation of her old usual style of blackmailing men to get what she wants from them has gone uncurtailed to confirm the adage that leopard cannot change his skin.
On behalf of the Moko Iyali, we are here to please beg Senator to go with please allow the men to go. All we are saying, allow Natasha to be the Women International Day just by the corner. We women, we are saying they should allow Natasha to rule us. She's our role model. No woman, no nation.
Good man.
So you want him to win the position?
Yes.
He's already Senate president.
Okay.
But why are you supporting Senator Natasha?
No.
Why?
No, I don't want her.
You don't want her what?
He not do me anything, but I don't want. Because they are
supporting Senator Akpabio.
Why I'm supporting you?
Yes.
Why I'm supporting you? I didn't see any wrong in what they are saying. So I don't know much about the detail of what they are saying. I'm just supporting you because my mind led me.
But you don't know much about what they're saying. Do you support Senator Natasha?
I don't even really know the...
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome to this Facebook page and YouTube channel. Okay guys, without wasting much of time, I would like us to go straight down to this news. Wonder shall never end. Nigeria police shooting at Senator Natasha's protesters. Wow. Nigeria, you see that country can never get better. Today, Natasha and her husband, they were in Senate House today to, judge the case about the sexual harassment. Bro, what happened? Natasha's protester came. No, Natasha supporters came. And Akpabio supporters came. What happened, guys? Nigeria police, for Nigeria police to, settle the issue and make it be like, okay, we don't need any problem, we don't need violence in this place today. Everybody just need to calm down and do everything right. Do you know what the Nigeria police did? Nigeria police started shooting at Natasha supporters, shooting them tear gas. I will play you guys the video to see what happened. And at the same time, show you guys a video of the unfortunate Senate president got with Akpabio supporters. You just hear one woman, hear what this woman said. This woman said he wants Senate President Godswill Akpabio to remain in the office. Not that she know what really happened. Like, you don't know what really happened, but you want this man to remain in the office. You see how they are using money to buy these people to... man, it's crazy to see Nigerian women, some of them. See, if now your mama be this, she's a disgrace, for real. If now your mama be this, she's a disgrace, full-time disgrace. Let me give you guys a chance. First, listen to this woman. Let me play the unfortunate Senate President Godswill Akpabio's supporters. See what happened, see what they did. Just watch this video, then we'll come back. I'll play you guys Natasha's own. Just hear this woman.
Why is a good man?
So you want him to win the position?
Yes.
He's already Senate president.
Okay.
But why are you supporting Senator Natasha?
No.
Why?
No, I don't want her.
You don't want her what?
He not do me anything, but I don't want. Because there are people say them be stubborn people. So we will not need stubborn people. We want peace. We don't need stubborn people. That is why.
Supporting Senator Akpabio.
Why I'm supporting you?
Yes.
Why I'm supporting you? I didn't see any wrong in what they are saying. So I don't know much about the detail of what they are saying. I'm just supporting you because my mind led me.
But you don't know much about what they're saying. Do you support Senator Natasha?
I don't even really know the whole story about it.
You don't know the whole story. So why did you come out here today?
Why I came out here is that they said it was support that he should remain as our senator. Why is a good man?
So you want him to win the position?
Yes.
He's already Senate president.
Okay.
But why are you supporting Senator Natasha?
No.
Why?
No, I don't want her.
You don't want her what?
He not do me anything, but I don't want. Because there are people say them be stubborn people. So we will not need stubborn people. We want peace. We don't need stubborn people. That is why.
You see the ignorance we're talking about. This is the ignorance we are talking about. They don't know what they are protesting for. They don't know. But they send them to go out and judge against who? Natasha. But they don't know Natasha. They don't know what happened. But just because they've given them 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira, because Nigeria now, the hunger in that land, bro, don't just go there. It's massive. Just because they've given them money, now they told them to go outside and go and support the unfortunate Senate President Godswill Akpabio. Now they ask her, do you know Natasha? I don't know her. They asked the other woman, I don't really know what happened, but they said I should come outside because they've given them money. That is what Nigeria is all about. It's all about the money. They give them money, then you go out and support that person. The only way Nigeria will get better, I'm telling you guys the plain truth, the only way Nigeria will get better, it is when they stop bribing and corruption in that country. Allow things to work amicably. That is the only way that country will get better. If not, you see this bribery and corruption, it will continue. It will continue. Like, just see these people. This is somebody's mother. Somebody's mother. She don't even know the Natasha. It shows that these ones, they are not on social media. They are not on social media. They don't even have TV to watch news. Even if they have TV, no lights. So they don't know what is going on. They are lost. These guys, they are lost. But you see these people that are on social media who watch news, they will go and meet them, go to the market, meet them, or go to their houses, give them for 5,000, 30,000, come and protest, come and support, come and do this. They will just maliciously go with those people. Go with them and started doing their nonsense. Now, they don't even know what is going on. They don't know the saga between Senator Natasha and the unfortunate Senate President Godswill Akpabio. They don't know the saga between the both of them. These are women who are supposed to support Senator Natasha. They are supposed to stand to support Senator Natasha. Why? Because they are women. All these men in Nigeria is oppressing them. They got to stand their ground. But because of money is involved, they will zip up, start supporting what is not right in the country. It's high time you guys get it right in Nigeria. I'm telling you guys the plain truth. Let me show you guys video of Senator Natasha's protesters. See what the Nigeria police did to them. Now, the first one you watch was Akpabio's supporters. Nothing happened to them. Oh. They did not shoot at them. They were saying, okay, they want Akpabio to remain there. Now, look at Senator Natasha supporters. See what they did to these people. Is it right? Nigeria police. You see that these people, they don't have sense. The Nigeria police, they are so malicious. That is why they keep using you guys like toy. They keep using you guys like toy. Nigeria police, they are using you guys like toy. See what they did to Senator Natasha's supporters. Watch this video, guys. Let me play you guys first. See this one. Akpabio must go. Akpabio must go. Akpabio must go. Akpabio, this is protest. This is how to protest. This is what the people in the country need to clamor for. This is protest. You see what the stupid... Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Because I'm upset, I'm for real. You see what the Nigeria police are doing. You see what the Nigeria police are doing. Shooting at Senator Natasha's supporters. Tell me, what have they done? Did they do anything bad? No, we want to know if they done anything bad. They said, we want Natasha to remain. Akpabio must go. Just a simple protest. But the unfortunate Senate president got to Akpabio supporters. Nothing happened to them. Nothing happened to them. They didn't even kpakpakpa them. But this one that are singing, Akpabio must go. Senator Natasha must remain. No, understand? No, tell me. Did you guys see any violence there? But the malicious Nigeria police decide to kpakpa at these people. Tell me, how can that country get better? When the police don't even know their job, they don't know their duty, they don't know when to release Are these people constituting nuisance there? No. They stood their ground and doing peaceful talk, peaceful protest. But Nigeria police will not get sense. When they don't know the kind of suffer where they did for the country. Akpabio must go, because Akpabio, that man, you heard in that protest. You want to chop somebody's wife. You want to knock somebody's wife. You want to knock somebody's wife, as if that makes sense, bro. So Akpabio must leave. He must come out for that office. That's what Nigerians are supposed to be saying by now. Not just because of Senator Natasha, because of all the crime, all the atrocity taking place in Nigeria. That man is a fraudster. That man is the corrupt man. That man just got to leave that office for the rightful person to sit there. Really, you guys know it was not Akpabio that won that office. It was one Igbo man that won that office. But because Bola Ahmed Tinubu know that Akpabio can work with him, can mago tease with him, that is why he gave the unfortunate Senate president, Godswill Akpabio, to be elected. You see what we're talking about? So now, he is now in that office. He is using that office to harass women, intimidate people. Like, he just need to leave that office. Godswill Akpabio need to leave that office. He need to leave that office. Now he's denying. I don't know what happened. I did not harass anybody. I did not do anything. I'm irresponsible. Just because the wife said it, they use it on that video. You know, I'm well trained. I'm a son of a single mother. Blah blah blah. Not be that one they ask you. Not be that one they ask you. Not being they ask you. Akpabio, you guys think what you guys are doing in Nigeria, like what you guys are doing to other ladies, you can do it to now? You try it to Natasha. What happened? She dragged the hell out of you. So this is what we want in women. Women that know their ground, that can stand their ground no matter what. No matter what. She stood. She knows, okay, guy, I go drag the hell out of you. That's what she's doing to you now, Senator Akpabio. You will pay dearly. You will pay dearly. Your wife, she told your wife, for your sanity, stay away, because you go depress. She go throw away depression inside your body. You say you make boom, boom, boom. You go extra large more again. You are like this now. Godswill is going out. Your husband is going out and looking for fine woman. May Senator Natasha put down for your brain. Bro, you go extra large. So she have told you to stay away from her allegation because your husband did it. So what's going on now in Nigeria? What Senator Natasha is doing, bro, I love it. Everything is working fine. So we are waiting for the courts. Let's hear what the court will say. Any update about the court, I will bring it for you guys to see what the court said concerning this issue. Yeah, because all the senators now, they are now planning against Senator Natasha. You guys are so silly for real. You guys are silly. You guys are silly. Anyways, guys, I would like to end this video for now. Please share this video. Nigeria police, you guys just need to please big up for once. It's high time you guys know the right thing to do. Stop intimidating the citizens. Stop intimidating these people. It makes no sense. By intimidating them, it makes no sense. That's how we'll end this video for now. Please share this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. As you do so, God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, guys, and bye-bye.
This is where I put you. May you don't come out. Okay. Hello. Come. Stand like this. Moto, when they come like you, they see him. Okay.